Let's jump right in, because today's topic is about creating AI videos with consistent characters for free. So, in this video, I will be covering the following topics: creating consistent characters with AI videos, writing effective video prompts and using these prompts to make captivating videos, then upscaling the videos to 4K resolution. Finally, stitching these videos together to make cinematic movies. So, let's start. First, we will need a powerful tool. So I will use Pix-Verse AI. You can access it either on their website or their Discord server. For this tutorial, I will stick with the website since it's more user-friendly. So click Get Started in Web and log in with your Google account. Before we continue, we will need a reference image to create our consistent character. You can choose to use an AI-generated image from sources like Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Or you can simply use your own image or a selfie. Now go to the Characters tab and click on the Create Character to start making a new character. Before uploading an image, make sure the image is either in PNG or JPEG format with a minimum size of 200 pixels. Also ensure that the face is clear and not blurry, and there are no obstructions like hair, sunglasses, or other objects blocking the view. Then upload the image you had chosen. And give your character a name. The type and style options are currently disabled as the platform only supports the creation of realistic human characters. After completing these steps, simply click the Create Character button. It will take some time for your character to be generated as it trains itself using the reference image you have provided. Now, click the Create button. This action will direct you to this page where you can begin crafting your videos. Pix-Verse offers a straightforward process for creating videos. Begin by selecting the Character tab. You will encounter a prompt box where you will input the prompt to generate your videos. But wait! Writing prompts for video creation requires a different approach compared to writing prompts for image creation. So, allow me to simplify the entire process for you. You will need to structure your prompts into 3 distinct parts: subject, motion, and style. This method will help you in composing prompts that are clear and well expressed. In the first part, we will focus on the subject, which refers to the content of the scene, such as the outfit or scenery surrounding the character. Though you won't need to describe your character, since we will be referring to the character we created earlier. Next, you will specify the motion you want to see in your video. This step can be broken down into 2 parts. Firstly, consider how the camera moves, whether it's a drone shot, zooming in or out, or panning from right to left. You can use words like these to define the camera's motion. Secondly, consider the movement within the scene. This includes how the character moves, as well as the movement of objects around them. For example, think about how a tree sways, light flickers, wind blows through hair, or a car moves in the background. Lastly, consider the style. This refers to the aesthetics that will give your video a consistent feel and add a creative touch. So, I will enter this prompt. A stylish woman standing on a Tokyo street filled with warm glowing neon and animated city signage. She wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress, and black boots, and carries a black purse. She wears sunglasses and red lipstick. In the style of Wes Anderson. The street is damp and reflective, creating a mirror effect of the colorful lights. Many pedestrians walk about. Wind blowing. Tripod shot. As you can see, this video prompt includes all the 3 elements, although not necessarily in any specific order. The first part covers the subject, then we move on to the style, and finally, the motion prompt. After that, activate the Auto Character Prompt feature. This will automatically refine your prompt in the background by adding extra words. This ensures that the resulting video closely matches your inputted prompt. It's advisable to always enable this feature before creating a video for better quality results. Next, let's talk about the negative prompt. This is where you specify what you don't want to see in a scene or things you want to avoid. For example, you might enter words like dogs and cuddly to not generate them in your video. Next, we will choose our character. You will see a drop-down menu containing all the characters you have created. Simply select the character you made earlier, or you can also create another character before moving forward. Next, let's talk about the aspect ratio. For cinematic videos, the ratio 16:9 is commonly used. On the other hand, for short-form videos like shorts and reels, the ratio of 9:16 is suitable. If you prefer a square format, you can choose 1:1, and for vintage devices, 4:3 is appropriate. Now, let's talk about the seed option. If you are creating the same shot multiple times, using a seed will assist in generating similar videos. I will demonstrate how it works in a moment. But first, let's click on Create. So, what's amazing about Pix-Verse is, you can create similar videos using a seed number. To do this, copy the seed number and click the Create button, as the seed number changes with each click. Now, paste the copied seed number and click the Create button again, to generate a similar video. Repeat this process for as many videos as you'd like to create. So here's the video that came out. The background and pedestrian movements were fine, but if you find some deformities, you will have to use a negative prompt to fix the issues. Generating the videos usually takes around 2 minutes, but this can vary depending on server availability. And keep in mind that the videos you create will be 4 seconds in duration. But I will show a method to maintain consistency in your movies by extending your video clips. Before we proceed, let's take a moment to upscale our videos. It's quite simple. Click this upscale button, and it will take a few minutes before you can access the upscaled video from the My Videos section. Now, back to extending our videos. Go to the last frame of a video and take a screenshot. We will utilize the image-to-video feature in Pix-Verse. So, here's how it works. Pix-Verse will take the image you provide as the initial frame and animate the video from there. It analyzes the content of the image and animates it with a sense of logic and coherence, so click on Create and go to the Images tab. Upload the screenshot as a reference image. You may also upload a zoomed-in version. Next, input the same video prompt as your screenshot's video. Now, add some camera movements like horizontal, vertical, roll, and zoom. Then, set the strength of motion to around 0.25, as increasing it further causes the output video to degrade. You can also enable HD quality before clicking Generate. And here's what we have got. So, first you need to decide on a style and script, and create each of your video clips individually. Then, assemble them in sequence using a video editing software of your choice. And if you can put in enough time and effort, you can create timeless cinematic masterpieces. So, that's it for today. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share the video with your friends.